What's going on there, YouTube? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, hitting you guys with another video today. So I got the Infraction out here. I figured I'd show you guys my beast. Alright guys, so I did a quick video of this car. I crashed the car, guys. I crashed my monster. She's doing the stanky leg. She's doing the stanky leg, guys. So as you can see, I broke my rear arm. We're gonna take this thing apart and we will rebuild this thing for next year. It's getting a little colder out. So, you know what? It's that time for me to actually just take it apart, rebuild it, do what I want to do with it now, update it. Again, this is my oldest Arrma street basher. I built this car like 3 years ago, you know, maybe even longer than that. Big shout out to Willis Hobbies because they gave me a big hand with this thing when I first started off with my Arrma bashing or Arrma street bashing cars. So they gave me a big hand, you know, with just figuring out what I needed to do and what I wanted to do, and we kind of collaborated and made it work basically. So the car is really freaking fast. Again, I usually just use this car to drag race with, but you know, I try to, you know, do a few speed runs for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video of my speed run. So before I crashed it, I hit 98, almost at 100. Almost at 100, and I know I can hit 100. Again, I have more throttle. The location that I'm at, it's pretty bumpy. So I'm trying to go over the bump without throttle. After I go over the bump, get back on the throttle. So it's a lot of on and off throttle basically. So it's really never consistent with me on the throttle, you know. So again, the car is, it freaking rips very fast. But all right guys, enjoy the video and I'll catch you guys at the end. We are out here with my Infraction, my 8S Infraction. We're gonna do some speed runs and we'll see how fast this thing goes. I do have my GNSS system hooked up today. So what I'll do is I'll just do a screenshot of whatever speed I hit today, and we'll see what I get. Let's get this thing going. Let's see what we can get today. Last time we got 95. Let's see if we can hit that 100 today. This will be my last time driving it this year. I feel like next year I'm going to take it apart, rebuild it, and then I'll have it up again next year. I think the bearings are shot all the way around. So definitely gonna give it a rebuild. I know it needs it. Definitely can't get half trigger on this thing. Not for long, at least.
All right, guys, we just hit 98. I'm not sure if we could do 100. We'll try. I know we can do it. I think I just need a long enough stretch to actually just keep it going consistently on the throttle. But I got 98 so far, so it's not bad. That's definitely not bad, especially for the truck not being as aerodynamic as the XO1 or even the Limitless. You know, so it's definitely not as aerodynamic as the other vehicles, but you know, again, it's doing pretty good so far. I know this vehicle is very fast. I'm just not getting that 100 out of it yet, but I definitely want to crack it before we pack this thing up. All right, let's go a few more rounds and let's see if we can crack that 100 today before the battery dies on me.
All right, guys, hopefully everybody enjoyed the video.
The monster.
So I figured I'd show you guys my monster. And like I said, hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends. And hey, everybody stay safe. You know, I know Halloween's coming up, so everybody stay safe. Enjoy your time, enjoy your family, of course. Obviously your friends. And, you know, be safe, like I said, all right? Everybody have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And it's your guy, Rocky from Rockside RC. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Rockside out.